Welcome back to the video on Google Classroom. In this video, we are going to explore the features available in Classwork tab. I click on Classwork tab. Here on the left hand side the button Create. I click on it. These are the features available in Classwork tab. We can post assignment, quiz, questions, materials, or reuse a post from a Google Classroom, or create topic to organize the post. Let us start by creating a topic. I click on Topic. I type the topic name. Now I click on Add. The topic is created. An important point to be noted here is, since we have not added any post under the topic, this topic will not be visible to the students. Once we add post under this particular topic, those posts will be visible to the students. Now I want my grade to be shown for each and every topic I create. So I need to set it up in the grade book. I click on the setting icon on the right hand side. I scroll down to the grading section here. Here I have grade categories. As I said, I want the grade book to be displayed for each and every topic separately. So I'm going to add a grade category here by clicking on Add Grade Category. I type it as Unit 1. I set the default point as 100 for that. Again, here overall grade calculation, I click on this drop down box. I want it to be displayed as total points. You can either choose by weightage by category. For each category, I go to points, or weighted by category. If I select weighted by category, for each category I need to post a percentage, how much percentage each category weights. I choose it as total points. I want the total points to be displayed. Now I click on Save. Now let us start by uploading notes to the Unit 1 topic. I click on Create. I want to upload notes, so I click on Material. I type the title here. Now I have two options, either to add it if I have already created notes, or I can create it. I click on this Create. These are the features by which I can create the material. I have already created it, so I'm going with Add. I click on Add. I have saved the material in my device, so I'm going to click on File. I click on Select Files from your device. I select the document, click on Upload. Now the document is uploaded. On the right hand side, in this topic, I click on this drop down box here and click on the topic Unit 1. I have two options here, either post it immediately or schedule a post or save it as a draft or discard it. By clicking on this drop down box, the other options are available. I want to post it immediately, so I'm going to click on Post. Now this particular material is posted. Let us post a question to our topic. I click on Create. I click on Question. I've posted a question. I can either post a short answer or a multiple choice. By clicking on this drop down icon here, I can select multiple choice as well and give out the options, but I want it to be short answer, so I'm going to leave it as default. I have posted the question here. I add any image or file or link, so I'm going to leave out this both options. Moving on to the options available in right hand side. Since I've created grade category, I'm going to select it as unit 1. I want this question to have 10 points. So 10 points. Again, I want to keep a due date, so I'm going to click on this drop down box here, select a due date by clicking on the drop down box again here as June 4th, time as 4 p.m. We need to bring it under unit 1 topic. I click on this drop down box, select unit 1. I don't want students to reply to each other for this question, so I'm going to remove this tick here. And I don't want students to edit the answer, so I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to post it immediately, so I click on ask. I can even schedule it by clicking on this drop down icon here, schedule it or save it or discard it. I want to post it immediately. I click on ask. Now it is posted. Now let us reuse a post from another classroom. I click on create, click on reuse post. This is the classroom I have created. Now I have 3 options. These 3 are the post which is in this classroom. I select this particular post. I click on it. I click on reuse. Here the question and instructions are there. I can change the settings. I click on the grade category here, drop down box. I click on the grade category and I change the points as 20. I select a due date, June 4. I want it to be 11:59 p.m. You need to change the topic. When you reuse a post, the topic will be from the classroom from where you have taken this post. You need to remove it and select the topic which you have created in this particular classroom. And I want students to reply to each other, since the instruction given is at least comment on one post. So this tick, we are not going to remove it, and I don't want students to edit the answer, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Now I'm going to schedule this post. I click on this drop down icon here, click on schedule it for June 2nd, click on June 2, time as 7 a.m. I click on schedule. Now the post is scheduled for June 2. You can see the difference here. The schedule post is shown in gray color. Once it is posted, it will change its color. Now again, let us upload a quiz assignment. I click on create. I click on quiz assignment. I type the title here. For quiz, a default form is shown where we can, by clicking on this, I can type the questions here. But I have already created a form here, so I'm going to remove it, delete it. I click on this X here. I click on the add button here. The Google form is saved in my drive, so I click on Google Drive. I click on this quiz here. The quiz is loaded here. Now I click on grade category to change the grade as unit 1. Points is 10 points. I set the due date by clicking on the drop down box. bring it under Unit 1 topic by clicking on the drop down box. I click on Unit 1. Here interesting thing is rubric. We can create rubric for quiz assignment as well as assignment questions. I click on rubric. We can reuse a rubric from a classroom, but I have not created rubric for the other classroom, or import from sheets. Since I have not created rubric, I am going to create it now. I click on create. Here for the title, I am going to put it as question 1. Points as 5. I'm going to create a rubric based on, for each question, for right answer 5 points and for wrong answer 0 points. If I want a detailed explanation, I can even put a level title, but it is a quiz. I can keep it as simple. I click on this add a level. So for question 1, 0 points for wrong answer. Now I click on this add a criterion. Here question 2. I click on the points 5 for right answer. Click on the add level, 0 points for wrong answer. As you can see, for 2 questions, the point value, total point value is changed here. I click on save. So the rubrics is created here. Now I can assign it or schedule it. I am going to assign it immediately. I click on assign. Now the quiz is posted. In the next video, we will learn how to post an assignment and create a rubrics for an assignment. Thank you.